Hello! Welcome to today's quiz on photosynthesis. Hope you are ready. But before we begin, remember to give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And now, let's begin. Which of the following organisms do not carry out photosynthesis? Which of the following living things can manufacture its own food? In which part of a plant does photosynthesis take place? Which of the following substances is necessary for the formation of food in plants? The energy used by living things to carry out life activities ultimately comes from. The evidence that photosynthesis has taken place in a green leaf is the presence of. Which of the following molecules will be used to form oxygen during photosynthesis? Which scientist showed that only the green part of the plants will release oxygen? In an experiment in which a variegated leaf is used, which of the following is proved to be necessary for photosynthesis? Who found the presence and properties of glucose in green plants? The holes in plant leaves that allow carbon dioxide to enter and oxygen to leave is known as. A simple sugar found in plant tissues. It is a product of photosynthesis. The complex process by which carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen by green plants using energy from the sun and chlorophyll. Congratulations, you completed the quiz. Hope you had a perfect score. If not, better luck next time.